Here I have REALME C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the system section, date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, you firstly have to disable use network provided time feature. Here you can set up your date, here you can set up your time. If you want to change your time zone, firstly disable use network provided time zone feature. Here you can select your time zone, but firstly you'll have to select your region. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.